Good morning. My name is Ahza Aiman bin Parlan, and my group are gonna present our findings in workshop Ergonomic. My group members are Muhammad Nizam bin Majun and Nicholas Sanggang Tan. Introduction of Ergonomics. Ergonomics is the scientific discipline concerned with the understandings of interaction between human and other elements of a system. The ergonomics profession applies theory, principles, data, and methods to design in order to optimize human well-being and overall system performance.
My name is Muhammad Nizam. I will talk about ergonomic principles. Ergonomic principles that I found have 9. First, retain any joints and neutral posture. Neutral posture is posture where the body is aligned and balanced while sitting or standing. In neutral position, the muscle and ligament are stretched to least possible extent. It also minimizes the stress applied to muscle, tendon, nerve, and bone. Awkward posture put more stress on the musculoskeletal system and contribute to musculoskeletal disorder, that is MDS. Second is work in comfort zone. Comfort zones mean to keep the work close to body and avoid overstretching. This principle reduces MSD risk factor and allow more efficient and pain-free working activities. Number 3, avoid static load and allow movement and stretching. Musculoskeletal system is designed for movement, and thus working for a long time in static position will cause fatigue. This alternative posture and periodic stretch will avoid static load effect and improve blood circulation. Number 4, reduce exercise motions and reach. It is necessary to limit our body to forward and sideways reach to avoid bend over and twisting the trunk. Unnecessary motion and reach should be reduced where possible. Number 5, reduce contact stress. Contact stress results from continuous contact and rubbing between hard or sharp objects. Surface and sensitive tissues such as finger, palms, and feet. This contact creates localized pressure in small areas which can affect blood, nerve function, or movement of tendon and muscles. Number 6 is use transport accessories and automation. Accessories such as roller conveyors, conveyor belts, trolleys, and mobile raising platform can eliminate or reduce manual handling. Automation helps to improve the working conditions and remove most MSD risks. Number 7, avoid excessive vibration. Regular and frequent exposure to extreme vibration can lead to adverse permanent health effects. Hand-arm vibration syndrome, HAVS, Reynolds syndrome, carpal tunnel syndrome, and tendonitis are among the health effects. Number 8, provide adequate lighting and vision. Different levels of lighting and required for different type of work. Dim working space can cause eye fatigue and headache. At a computer workstation, the placement of the computer and controlling the screen glare or contrast will help to improve the user's level of comfort. Number 9, avoid extreme temperature and noise. Extreme temperature can place physiological stress on the individual. The temperature in the workplace should be controlled at the appropriate level to maintain thermal comfort. Controlling noise is about preventing noise-inducing loss. In certain conditions, exposure to high level of noise can cause stress.
Good ergonomics. The first picture shows our finding of good ergonomics in human operator. The employees were provided with personal protective equipment, the correct job training, enough skill and knowledge to do their job. The second picture shows our finding of good ergonomics in workplace. The workshop was designed with great lighting to do the job properly. Furniture such as work desks with the correct height for work and shelving that helps with housekeeping. The third picture which shows our finding of good ergonomics when doing their task is the employees were provided with transport accessories to keep the workshop clean, easier to get tools and equipment which cause less stress and fatigue which also increase productivity. Bad ergonomics. The first picture shows our finding of bad ergonomics in human operator. The employees constantly being near loud machinery that can cause long-term hearing problems. The second picture shows our finding of bad ergonomics in human operator. The employees constantly have to bend over when they have to work that can cause back pain because of the poor posture. The third picture shows our finding of bad ergonomics in the environment. The tools and materials not arranged causing accidents such as slipping when employees step on them and what make the tools last longer.
The first improvement is about problem that constantly being near loud machinery that can cause long-term hearing problems. The solution for this problem is employer must provide hearing protection to employees such as earplugs or earmuffs. The cost for this hearing protection is around 900 ringgit. The second solution is redesign the workshop wall and ceiling so that it absorbs the sound created by the machinery and the sound won't bounce back towards the employees, which cause the less harm towards employees. And the cost for this redesign is around 25,000 ringgit. The second problem is employees need to bend over when they work that can cause back pain because of the poor posture. The solution for this problem is employer need to provide a suitable work desk at the workshop to put the workpiece at a suitable height to avoid the poor posture. The cost for this desk is around 10,650 ringgit. The second solution is employer need to provide a suitable chairs so that the employees don't feel fatigue for the standing too long, and the cost for this chair is around 7,000. The third problem is the tools and materials not arranged causing accidents such as slipping when employees step on them and won't make them last long. The solution for this problem is the employer need to provide a shelf to put all the tools in a safe, clean and arranged place. The cost for this shelf is 5,650 ringgit. The second solution is the employer need to provide suitable containers to keep materials such as nails and screw in a safer place and label them so that it easier to find. The cost for this suitable container is around 800 ringgit. The conclusion is show the importance of ergonomic when working. It can help improve productivity of employees because when employees does feel fatigue and discomfort during work, it can decrease absenteeism, increase their safety and health by creating a better safety culture and increase the productivity quality because the lack of fatigue.
That's all my group have present about our findings and thank you for all your attention.